SMP Temperature Control Division introduces PackKit's AC Service Kits, a compressorless AC kit shipped in one convenient package with all of the quality components needed to accompany your next compressor replacement. This includes an accumulator or filter dryer, expansion device, proper oil, all necessary gaskets and O-rings, service valves and caps, tamper-evident strap, and underhood maintenance label. Exact fit parts with no substitutions or repair shortcuts. PackKit's AC service kits are application-specific and offer coverage for the most popular vehicles on the road today, including dual and hybrid vehicle AC systems. When paired with a quality new or remanufactured SMP compressor, AC service kits will ensure a successful repair. Whether your customer requires a premium new compressor or wants the same quality with savings in a remanufactured unit, always capture the sale with PackKit's AC service kits. Distributors can expand AC sales opportunities without duplication of existing inventory. PackKit's AC service kits offer greater coverage with fewer SKUs. Doing the job right takes more than just replacing the compressor. As AC systems become more sophisticated, it is important to remember to replace all of the necessary components to extend compressor performance and longevity. Ensure a successful repair and increase sales and profitability with quality prepackaged AC service kits.